Alright guys, today I found something kind of interesting in the trash. I was driving around looking for lawnmowers and stuff like I usually do, bulk pickup, and I came across this. It appears to be somebody's attempt at a combat robot. Had a spot for, the receiver, there's speed controller. I'm not really sure what that would have been. Could have been some kind of inverter. Couple really nice NPC motors in here with the gear reductions. Some really cheap plastic bicycle wheels that that never would have worked in the arena, and some really thick aluminum plate, which I'm probably not going to keep the plate even though it's really nice, but yeah, aluminum plate just does not have any place on a combat robot. You need steel. Honestly, this will probably go to scrap. But I'm going to unbolt the motors from this thing. I'm going to try to pull the batteries out. I've tried testing them, but they're flat dead. This thing's been sitting so long. It doesn't look like anybody ever completed it. It was just in its prototype phase, but somebody's put a lot of thought into this thing. Look at it. Got everything all zip tied out of the way. Everything's bolted down real nice. It's actually pretty damn square. The frame, they've pop riveted everything together. Again, something that's not going to hold together in the battle box. If Tombstone comes up and whacks the snot out of this thing, all those rivets are gone. Your batteries are spilling out on the ground. You're on freaking fire, and the crowd's going to be cheering. But I mean, you wasted a trip to, California. The gear reductions feel really smooth. This is all probably brand new. I can't imagine why they would have given up on it. I mean, you made it this far. I mean, you might as well take it to the finish line. It has like a anti-tip mechanism, I guess, for when they're testing it. It's just like a crappy kickstand. But yeah, how interesting is this? I've never found a combat robot in the trash before. This is kind of neat. Somebody has gone to a lot of trouble to make something happen. Anyway, guys, what should I do with this thing? I mean, my first thought is to throw a damn flamethrower on it, but I've done that before. I've already scrapped that robot, but I still have a flamethrower up here on the shelf and all of the guts that it needs to function. I even have the cover for it up there with the number 13 on it. It's just extras from my old combat robot days, and that was a really long time ago. I don't think any of my junky robots would stand up against, like, yeah. No. It goes up against Ice Wave or Tombstone. You're just, yeah. Pretty much you're the party popper. You're fixing to get exploded all over the damn freaking arena, and everybody's gonna cheer. Yeah. Cool. Anyway, let me know what should I make with this thing. I've already made a remote control lawnmower, and I'm kind of done with that. And plus, it's it's usually like 101 degrees in the shade, so there's no freaking grass. I'm probably going to store the entire motor pod and chassis assembly here under the bench for a little while. But yeah, I want to hear your best idea. What should I do with this? What should I make? And now obviously we're getting rid of these really crappy wheels, because this is not going to work for any application. But yeah, let me know what you think of this trash find. Have you ever found anything like this? What do you suppose they were trying to make? Honestly, in my opinion, it almost looks like they were trying to make a knockoff Tombstone. If you set it up like this and you actually make an additional frame that comes out, third motor, drive chain, 60-pound steel, spinning, blade on the front and a little caster underneath and on top for the invertibility of the robot. I don't really know what else they were going for here. Anyway, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. I've always got more videos coming up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.